Here on the Wix editor, you want to go to Pages and Menu, and then you want to click on Side Menu right here. And then on the side menu, you can just choose any page that have login or sign up for member. Just hover over the page, and then click right here on these three dots. And then you want to click on Settings. On Page Settings, you want to go to Permission right here. On Permission, on who can access this page, you want to make sure you are choosing everyone. So you don't want to choose on password holders or site members. And this way, there will be no restriction again on every inch of your website about login or sign up member. And then just to be sure, you want to click on every of your page. Just go to Settings and Permission. And then you want to make sure on Access this page, it was choose to everyone. And then after you do that, you want to go to Members area right here. Still on the Pages and Menu. Just click on Members area. And then on the Members area, you want to click right here on Actions, on the gear icon. And then you want to click on Delete Members area. And then you want to click on Yes, Delete. This way, it will completely remove the need to log in to your website if anyone visit your website or pages. And there you go. If you still have any question about Wix, just comment down below and I will try my best to assist and help you guys. And that's how to remove login on Wix website or turn off member sign up and login page. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.